We are going to make some amazing toddler crafts. This whole video is just crafts you can do with your really young toddlers who probably don't really want to do crafts with you yet. Send it out. Mail it to everyone you know. That's adorable.
Wow.
Wow, that's right. Squeeze! Squeeze! 2019, people. I only want one wipe at a time. All of these are available down in the video description below. I've made it super, super easy for you guys to do these. You just have to take a handprint or a footprint and it's done. So the first one we have are little bat wings. What we're gonna do with these is cut them out and it's gonna look like your little one's footprint is the body of the bat. I'm using the smallest size available because my son's feet are pretty small still. I have 2 pieces of white cardstock. I just cut down the middle of a regular size sheet. We're gonna position it landscape instead of portrait so that we have room for the wings. Bonus points if you give your kids things to play with that are not toys to distract them for long enough. Like this permanent marker that my son is holding. Don't forget to push down their little toes so they show up. When you're done with your footprint, turn it upside down and glue a bat wing on each side. I'm gonna go in and draw little ears on the top, eyes, and then a little mouth with vampire teeth. And it's done. Send it out. Mail it to everyone you know. That's how cute this is. And they won't ever know that it took you 20 seconds to do. This one we're going to do a white footprint on black paper and then cut out the footprint and stick it right in the middle. It's gonna look like a little ghost. I also have that one printed out on orange paper just to show you the difference. Tickle, 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 tickle. Ready, set, go. Boom. That's adorable. All right, we are doing 2 of these because we have 2 amazing sets of grandparents that I hope are watching this. So when I'm doing it, I'm making sure to push down on his little toes because we've got some fat feet over here and I'm not sure that his toes actually touch the ground when he's standing up. I'm gonna let the white ink dry. And then I also wanted to show you guys what it looked like on the orange paper with a black footprint. So you wanna make sure that you do the footprint upside down because the heel of the foot is supposed to look like the head of the ghost. So we're gonna attempt this without getting black ink everywhere. Ooh, spooky!
Wow.
Wow, that's right. These turned out so cute. So a little later, when we're all done with our footprints and everything, I will show you how we make them look a little bit more like ghosts. This is how my white ink turned out. I think it looks awesome. You could also use white paint. So I'm gonna cut them out. So when I cut the white footprint out, I kind of followed the shape of this foot and then I added just a little bit of a squiggly bottom because I think it looks cute. I'm gonna glue the ghost in the middle of the printable template. Are you squeezing it?
Yes.
Ooh, squeeze, squeeze. Our little ghosts are glued down. I don't have any googly eyes, but I think that that would look really cute on here. So what I'm gonna do instead is draw eyes and a mouth with my little marker. I did 2 different facial expressions. This guy is a little shocked, and the second ghost is happy. This one is so cute. So it says, I'm batty about you. In the middle of each bat wing, we're gonna do your kid's thumbprint. That's meow meow, that's right. That's Oakley, she's sleeping. I have some Craft Smart brand ink. I don't care what kind you use, this was the cheapest, and so that's what I bought. It would probably be helpful if I could duct tape the rest of his fingers down. It's so cute. I'm gonna go through and draw tiny little triangles to make the bat's ears on top of all the little body thumbprints we did. It's a tiny little detail, but it makes it look like you spent hours on this craft, and it actually only took like 30 seconds. This one is also adorable. It says, trick or treat, smell my feet. You're just gonna do 2 little footprints right in the middle. So my mom is a hairdresser, and she said that she usually distracts kids by giving them a little squirt bottle. And so that's what she would do with Jackson for all of his 5 haircuts. I'm not kidding, 5 haircuts, and he's 15 months old. And now whenever he sees our spray bottle, he just wants to drink out of it. So, mom hack, squirt your kids in the mouth with a water bottle when they're getting their haircut, and then they'll love it, and also be hydrated. So it's a win-win. I know. Is it tickly? Does it tickle? How come wipes never come out of the dispenser thing one at a time? Why is that a problem? It's 2019, people. I only want 1 wipe at a time. Here's the finished product for the Trick or Treat Smell My Feet footprint craft. This is it. This is all you do. Maybe sign your kid's name at the bottom and put the year. Our last ridiculously easy and ridiculously adorable toddler craft that we're gonna do today is a spider from our kiddo's hands. So I'm going to stamp the palm of his hands and his 4 fingers, but not his thumb. So we'll do one with the fingers facing this way, and then the second one with the palms overlapping with the fingers facing this way. We are back and ready to show you all of our finished products for all of these crafts. So when I'm doing all of these videos, the stuff that I'm making for the first time as I'm filming them. So I learned a couple of things with this video that we did. For the spider craft, I thought it would be much cuter if I gave you guys a template to put the spider on, because he looked a bit boring just by himself. So I made this that's available in the video description below. It has a spider web and it says Happy Halloween on the bottom. I added eyes and a little fanged smile with some white paint at the end. The second thing I learned was that the bat footprint looked a little bit boring as well by itself. So this was our finished product. I created this for you guys so that you could just do the little footprint right in the middle of the template and then glue the bat wings on. Here's the finished product for the ghost where we used white ink. And then here's the finished product for the ghost where we used black ink. I just used a little bit of white paint to put a face on this guy. Then we have Trick or Treat, Smell My Feet. And last but not least, I'm batty about you with our gaggle of bats. What's a group of bats called? I don't know. These all look really, really amazing and they're so fun. And half of the work is done for you. Just download the stuff with the link below and then get a little footprint from your kid. Done and done. I've loved making these crafts with you guys today. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. And if you've loved today's video, like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.